tips for people who want to invest in the stock market? Go.
Start now. Left early. Learn how to trade first before investing too much, and create your own strategy.
Naks, you're listening to the talks, ha? So anyways, guys. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated every time I create new content about the stock market. So I create daily videos on helpful tips on how you can create strategies on how you can use the stock market over a stretched period of time to be able to win. Because I really believe the stock market is one of the greatest investments out there and you should invest. Enjoy the rest of the video. From the seminar.
Lahat.
Talaga? What's your favorite indicator?
Cebu kasi gusto kong mag-scan.
Okay. Congratulations. Salamat. Thank you. What did you learn from the seminar?
A lot.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Favorite indicator?
Resistance and
Talaga? Why?
basic pero sa lahat.
Pero nag-technicals ka na dati?
Yes.
Okay. What did you still get from it kahit nag-technicals ka na dati?
Marami. Kasi iba yung ano ko. Paggamit.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Okay. Salamat. Hello. What did you learn from the seminar?
A lot.
Talaga? What's your favorite indicator?
Moving average.
Why?
Because it's simple.
Why simple? Okay. Pero, I have a question. You are into banking, yes? Yung nasa banking medyo conservative. Pero why do you want to trade?
More gains.
More gains. Okay. Key takeaway, will this cause you to trade more? Why?
At least I learned a lot. I can practice.
Okay. Message to other bankers na hindi pa nag-invest.
Try to work and study para
Okay. When do you want to retire? Ang magandang question yun. No? When do you want 60 years old? Why 60? Because
I still want to enjoy
working, or what do you want to enjoy?
life.
Life.
Hindi pa naman.
Okay. You're investing for the future now or retirement, or what's your basic reason for investing?
Retirement na.
Retirement na. With family, kids. Oh, galing. So, last question. What's harder, trading, investing?
Trading.
Because
You have to look at the stock.
okay.
Be active, more active in the market compared to investing
Okay,
for the long term.
that's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Sige, picture. Okay, game. Sa'yo. Okay, hindi. Ako. I'm just putting this video. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you. Ay, wait. Nakuha na ba kita? What did you learn from this today?
I learned a lot.
Okay.
Medyo madami pero kakayanin ka na yun.
Talaga, tapos yung fruit pa from Dumaguete?
Yes.
Talaga, so how long are you staying here?
3 days na ako.
3 days, okay. Bukas na rin. You are a fund manager.
Yes.
So, pero, you are aggressive, conservative. Considering you're a fund manager also.
Sa stocks ba yun?
Stocks, yeah, stocks. Kano love, hindi na.
Sa tingin ko conservative.
Because
medyo siguro kasi nagsisimula pa kaya pero eventually siguro pag may confidence na baka ma-shift sa maging aggressive.
what's your key takeaway to all of this, especially you now know how to time the markets. What's your favorite technical indicator and what can you use as a personal strategy?
So ngayon, I think i-master ko muna yung drawing support at saka resistance, tsaka yung moving average, just the basics first, yung core. Tapos eventually move ako dun sa mga RSI, sa PSAR.
Okay.
If kaya, lahat ng patterns i-master kung kaya. Pero siguro I'll stick on the basics muna, ma-master, tapos I'll move gradually sa ibang techniques.
Galing. Words of encouragement for people from Dumaguete, or in general, so people think the stock market is complicated, and more people think but technicals is complicated as well.
Yes, at first look, medyo masakit sa ulo and medyo mahirap. But then if you get to realize, if you get to if you get to see the beauty of nung stocks and yung trading and yung excitement and thrill it gives to people na siguro it could be a break for other people. So siguro the very first step talaga is yung change. Okay, dapat willing ka na mag-change sa sarili mo para ma-open up ka sa opportunities like stocks and other things.
Are you excited na for Monday pag nagbubukas yung market?
Yes, excited na magkamali.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're part of the vlog.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Picture.
O sige, game picture. Okay. Before the picture, I have a question. What did you learn from today?
Even if
Okay lang. He's an architect, by the way, who's trading the markets. So, it's a misconception pag architect ka, malayo sa field mo, pwede ka mag-invest. Ako, engineer ako, nag-graduate siya, architect, but he's now trading. What did you learn?
I know.
Parang wala, oh my God!
Marami ako na-learn.
Sige, ano na lang, favorite indicator?
Bollinger Bands
Okay.
and sir, medyo
Okay lang. Sige, ito na lang. For people who are architects, kaya ba mag-trade o hindi?
kaya mag-trade.
Kaya mag-trade. Second question, is it possible also to use technicals? Is it super complicated to or not so complicated?
No, contrary to what I expected before, doing technicals is quite easy. At first, I kept on following you through YouTube.
Oh wow, so
And-
you're part of the vlog!
Yeah, and I didn't quite understand yet before the seminar. I didn't quite understand yet why you always have a positive outlook to things. But since I joined the seminar, I understood na kung bakit nakangiti palagi si Marvin Guerrero.
Okay, so pwede pala siya. Architect, you can
Yeah, you can do it.
Pero when you started, kala mo it was complicated, it was hard, it was not easy to understand also.
Yes.
Okay, pero after, what did you get?
That was the reason why I stopped touching muna my portfolio because I waited for this seminar to take place.
Okay.
And now I have theoretically I've gained confidence on how to approach it.
Okay.
Even when the PSE is not doing so good, money can still be made.
Wow, galing. So I'm glad you learned a lot. Okay, picture, let's do this.
Alright.
Here's a picture. I'm not offing the video. I don't off them. Where do you want to game?
Ay sir, pwede?
Siya yung sinasabi ko. Yung sa lahat ng kinikita niyo sa stocks, hindi siya Montero. Siya yun. Oh. Guys, siya yun yung may Montero. Oh. Galing. Okay, dito. Okay.
Got smarter, just listen.
Just follow him. Sobrang galing niya. Making money passively while doing, nagbe-business na, pero earning from stocks. Alright, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Part
you.
of the vlog.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy.
Sige po.
Enjoy.
Take care.
You're from ano again?
Actually, I'm
Cebu
from
pala,
Iligan,
Davao.
but I'm
Okay,
based in
okay, I
Cebu now.
remember. Got it. See you. Bye-bye.
Sige po.
Thank you. So, just interviewed a couple of people who attended Stock Smarts Cebu. It's just nice to see a lot of people who are into investing. Yeah.